During the Cold War's peak, the global arena witnessed a relentless competition between two nations across various domains. Among these, space emerged as the ultimate stage to showcase technological supremacy. The Soviet Union and the United States engaged in a head-to-head contest, with the former launching the inaugural artificial satellite into Earth's orbit, and the latter responding by achieving the feat of landing the first human on the moon. However, following the Soviet Union's dissolution, the United States surged ahead in the space frontier. Presently, it boasts the largest space exploration agency globally, with an annual budget of $32 billion allocated to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. No other space organization comes close to matching NASA's resources. Yet, amidst this landscape, a new contender is reshaping the rules of space exploration: China. Rapidly closing the gap with the United States and, in some instances, surpassing it, China has emerged as a formidable player in the space arena. Remarkably, within half a century, China has transitioned from a position far behind in the space race to a frontrunner. In 1970, while grappling with the upheavals of the Cultural Revolution, China successfully launched its first satellite into orbit. By comparison, NASA was already halfway through developing the Voyager spacecraft, which would launch 7 years later. Since then, China's space program has witnessed a dramatic transformation. Over the past decade alone, China has launched over 200 rockets, conducted unmanned lunar missions, and established its own space station after being excluded from the International Space Station. According to Chinese state media reports, approximately 300,000 individuals have contributed to China's space projects, nearly 18 times the workforce of NASA. The space race between the United States and China persists, shaping the future trajectory of space exploration. China is embarking on an innovative and intriguing venture, poised to challenge the James Webb Space Telescope with its array of miniature satellites. Delving into the depths of deep space, Chinese scientists are developing a constellation of small satellites to monitor the intense and fleeting cosmic phenomena. The envisioned Chinese mission encompasses over 100 microsatellites, each equipped with a compact version of an X-ray telescope. This approach diverges from the prevailing trend of larger telescopes designed to probe deeper into space and time. Termed the Catch, this constellation will cater to transient phenomena hunters, comprising hundreds of satellites. In a remarkable feat, China has surpassed Elon Musk's SpaceX this time around. The Zhuke 2 rocket, developed by the Chinese company Landspace, achieved a successful orbit following its launch from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in the Gobi Desert. Verification by the U.S. Space Force. Tracking confirmed the Chinese reports validating the methane-fueled rocket's journey to orbit. This marks a significant milestone for the Zhuke 2 rocket, which encountered an anomaly during its inaugural flight on December 14, 2022. Methane, while emitting a striking blue hue during launch, has garnered attention for its purported environmental benefits. Despite being a greenhouse gas, it is considered cleaner than the conventional RP-1 or kerosene fuels utilized in many rockets. Several U.S. companies, including SpaceX with its Starship system, Blue Origin with New Glenn, Lockheed Martin with Vulcan Centaur, and Relativity Space with its Terran line, are also exploring methane-fueled rockets. However, some of these ventures have encountered setbacks in recent months. For instance, Terran 1 failed to reach orbit during its debut launch in March, and SpaceX initiated a self-destruct command for Starship during its inaugural fully stacked launch in April. Following multiple anomalies, SpaceX is actively developing the Starship with the aim of facilitating Mars colonization, leveraging methane fuel that can be procured on the Martian surface. Elon Musk, the company's founder and CEO, has emphasized this goal. However, the maiden flight of Vulcan Centaur, scheduled for early May, faced a delay following an anomaly detected during testing of the rocket's upper stage. Meanwhile, China and its private space enterprises have demonstrated remarkable momentum in their launch endeavors. In 2022, they executed 54 missions to orbit and have set their sights on exceeding 60 launches in 2023. In comparison, SpaceX, the busiest launcher in the United States, conducted 61 space missions in 2022. While the global space community is captivated by these advancements, it's crucial to recognize China's significant contributions to space exploration. This era heralds an exciting phase for scientific exploration, representing the pinnacle of human achievement. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for further exploration. Additionally, consider joining our channel as a member to access exclusive perks and support our endeavor to produce more engaging content. Until next time, let's embark on this journey together.